welcome back to the channel. Excuse me. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock here. So anyway, what we're doing today is a What Did You Buy Wednesday. This is hosted by our good friend Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshops over in Montana. Beautiful state. Cold state too. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So first thing I've got here is a little caddy. I didn't take everything off of it, but it's a tool caddy. And I actually got this guy off of Etsy. And as you can see, it holds quite a few different things. It's got little boxes here for the Tamiya size bottles that we use. And then it's got a bigger storage area over here, a smaller one here, and then these little slots that hold. As you can see, I've got all kinds of different things in there. Snips and scissors and tweezers all over the place. Like I said, I got this off Etsy. I think it was like $12 shipped. $12 or $13. 3D printed. And the vendor that I got it from, and there's a bunch of different vendors and there's a bunch of different sizes of these things. But the vendor I got it from offered it in colors. And since I like blue, I got a blue one. So that's the first thing I wanted to share. I haven't picked up any kits recently. So I don't have any kits to share, but that's one thing that's good for the workspace. Oh, and then I found this e-power or extreme power. I call it e-power. Extreme power super glue at Hobby Lobby. Since I was talking about Hobby Lobby, made me remember it. The price is much better than this, the BSI. Yeah, the BSI Industries Instacure. I found this works just as well as this. I don't know yet if it has a shelf life like this does, because I know that one will go bad after a while. I'm sure this one probably does too. One of the things that I like about it is it has a much thinner tip to it. So what I try to do, is every time after I use it, I have an old rag and I try to wipe it so that there's no super glue left on the tip when I close it. It still gets stuck, but it's better than these lids where the super glue builds up actually inside the cap, and I have to end up cutting down the nozzle, which makes the glue come out a lot faster at times. But anyway, that's two things that I picked up. The next thing I picked up, I'm going to be doing I'll have a video for it here shortly. But I'm going to join the F1 group build hosted by Tim over at Box Stock Garage and Kyle. And RKD Scaleworks. So I'll be having a video for that. But what I picked up was I had to pick up decals for the kit or the model that I'm going to be using. And I went through IndyCals, and I've used them before. And I got the name from Kyle. So the car that I'm building, or actually it's a rebuilder, it's a Lotus. And so the decals I had to get are very nice. IndyCals make some really good decals. The only thing you have to do is you have to cut each decal out separately. They don't come off individually. You have to cut them off. You have to cut them off individually. But the good thing is it comes with the body decals. It has the instrument panel and all of the other associated decals for it. So that will allow me, and then the tire decals also. What that allow me to do is participate in the group build and not have to buy a new kit, which I can't really afford at the moment. So anyway, that's just my my quick little what did you buy Wednesday. Oh, and the other thing I did pick up was another base. I was using wood, and they just these guys just don't hold well over time in the wood. So just bought the new one here, and this one is much. It's just as stable. It has two sizes of holes, so you just got to watch which holes I have them in. I have them in the bigger holes here, but if you put them in a smaller hole, then they stand up better. So there's two options. I guess some of the sticks that they have are different sized. So these are smaller in diameter. So yeah, useful parts. Useful tools for our modeling hobby. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Hope everybody has a great day. Never turned the light on, did I? Everybody has a great day. Super windy here, gusting like 55 miles an hour. So that's always fun. Hope you have a great day. Take care of your families. Take care of yourselves. Get some bench time in. Enjoy the hobby. That's what I'm trying to do. And most of all, be kind. You never know what that other person next to you is going through. All right, take it easy. I'll talk to you guys later in the next one.